We're going to be talking about our cordless brad nailers and pin nailers. So we got 23 gauge, 21 gauge, 18 gauge brad nailer, and coming the first of the year is going to be our quarter crown stapler.
Yep.
Okay. The biggest thing that's the change is that we have a propane cylinder that has no shelf life on it.
Okay.
So it doesn't leak when you take it out of the gun. You can set it on your shelf. The other thing that's really nice is our battery platform.
Yeah.
2 AAA batteries.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you don't have another battery platform, costs you about $2. So, and I don't have a big weight on the end here.
Okay.
We've been able to take about 4 pounds out of this gun. It weighs 3.8 pounds. The power on it, I can shoot from 3/8 to 2 inch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, even with my 21 gauge, same thing. I go from 3/8 to 2 inch. It's the exact same platform. All metal construction. Power adjustment on it. Okay, we have an 18 gauge. Which, again, it has the same thing, your power adjustment on top. We have the 2 AAA batteries right in here. Fuel cell right up in here. Coming, basically, first of the year will be a quarter crown stapler, 18 gauge.
Oh.
Okay,
Good.
so again, you're going to have up to 1.25 quarter crown. You got the batteries, the fuel cell, just like the normal one. Plenty of punch power. That's the newest one going to be coming out.
Great. And what do the fuel cells go for?
Fuel cell is a 4-pack is about $25.
Okay.
And you get about 1,200 shots per cell, so that's about 5,000 shots in a pack.
So availability time?
The 23, the 21, and the 18 gauge are currently available.
Okay.
The quarter crown, fourth quarter this year.
All right. All right. Well, Lee, thanks for your time.
Thank you.